This is Ed with the Kaminsky Real Estate Group, and we are continually seeking out ways to provide more value to our clients. And nothing has got me more excited than this program now. $149, you will now have access to lawyer services for a complete year, up to 10 pages of document review, unlimited 30-minute consultation calls about different matters in your contract, and lifetime mediation services related to the purchase or sale of a home that you do with us. When you're involved in a home buying or selling process, the list of questions that come up that are probably requiring the answer from a lawyer are endless. Whether it's through the purchase of a home that you're just starting, the sale of a home, or post-close, legal questions come up all the time. With our program, you can call a lawyer on different subject matters for an entire year at one cost of $149. That's it. So as long as the matters are of different subject matters, you can speak to an attorney for up to 30 minutes with any different subject matter. Additionally, we have document review where a legal panel will review up to 10 pages of your real estate documents. And one of the best money-saving benefits from this program is lifetime mediation services. When you sign a purchase contract, you automatically agree to mediate to solve a dispute. To hire a mediation company or mediation team, it costs thousands of dollars. With this program, it's all inclusive for as long as you own the home, if a mediation issue comes up as it relates to your purchase or sale of that property. And our fourth benefit, if it comes to a point where you do need to hire a lawyer and you need an extended lawyer consultation, lawyer services, you get a 25% discount at these law firms to help guide you in the situation that you have. Having access to this exclusive program will not only save you thousands of dollars, but just getting involved with attorneys at the right time can avoid mountains of headaches down the road. So when you're buying or selling a home and you have access to a program like this is a huge benefit. We're happy to provide that for you when you're working with the Kaminsky Real Estate Group. If you have more detailed questions about the program and how it works and how it can protect you, check in with your agent at the Kaminsky Real Estate Group for more answers. Thank you.